The sine, cosine, and tangent are fundamental concepts in trigonometry, defined using a right-angled triangle. Here, theta denotes an angle. H, the hypotenuse. O, the opposite side to theta. And A, the adjacent side to theta. Sine of theta is the opposite side, divided by the hypotenuse. Cosine of theta is the adjacent side, divided by the hypotenuse. And tangent of theta is the opposite side, divided by the adjacent side. Importantly, these values only depend on the angle theta. They do not change with the size of the triangle. We often use sine, cosine, and tan to find missing sides or angles in a right-angled triangle. Here in this triangle, we know an angle and its opposite side. To find the hypotenuse, we use sine. The sine of 30 degrees is equal to 4 centimeters, divided by the unknown. Knowing that the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2, we can solve this equation and find that the hypotenuse is 8 centimeters. Let's consider another example. Here, we know an angle and its adjacent side. To find the opposite side, we use tangent. The tangent of 50 degrees is the unknown over 5 centimeters. Using a calculator, you'll find that the tangent of 50 degrees is approximately 1.2. Solving this equation, the opposite side is about 6 centimeters. Final example. Here, we don't know the angle, but we know the hypotenuse and its adjacent length. To find theta, we use cosine. Cosine of theta is 4 centimeters over 8 centimeters, which simplifies to 1/2. Now, to find the angle theta, which gives a cosine value of 1/2, we use the inverse cosine function, written like this. When using a calculator, you may need to press Shift or Second before the cos button to get this function. The calculator will then display the result, 60 degrees. It can be very helpful to remember the trigonometric values of specific angles. Remembering these triangles, it's gonna be easier than remembering the values directly.